Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if WhatsApp not working on your iPhone. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Turn Wi-Fi off then on. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Toggle airplane mode on then off. If the internet is unstable, WhatsApp won't load messages. Step 2. Force quit WhatsApp. Swipe up from the bottom and hold. Find WhatsApp, swipe it to close, then reopen the app. This refreshes the app instantly. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. Hold volume up plus side button. Slide to power off. Restart. Kill your temporary box. Step 4. Check WhatsApp permissions. Go to the settings, then privacy and security. Second, tap contacts, photos, microphone, camera, mobile data. Make sure WhatsApp is enabled for all needed options. Step 5. Update WhatsApp. Go to the App Store, then search for WhatsApp. Tap on update if available. Outdated version crash or fail to load. Step 6. Reset network settings. First go to settings, then general, then transfer or reset. Then reset. Tap reset network settings. This won't delete your data, and this is how you can fix if your WhatsApp not working on your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.